Hello everyone, welcome back. Fun with Foxy here.
Mom, you look like puke.
What?
Your character, it looks like puke.
Ah, I almost sat on my phone. Anyways, I'm trying to do my intro here.
Well, you look at your panda. I'm sorry.
I don't look like puke.
The color does.
Anyways, we're gonna do some nut cracking today.
It looks like a dinosaur through...
We're gonna go collect some nuts. Excuse you, child.
Oh, that's weird.
That's my daughter for you peeps. Anyways, here I am, Fun with Foxy, spinning, ready to go collect some nuts.
Hands off my nuts. Join me. Join me. Join me. Join me! Join me!
Stop yelling, child.
It looks like a unicorn threw up on you.
How much sugar did you have today?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, here we are. Where's the nuts?
Look, I'm a squirrel!
I'm a squirrel.
You're a brown squirrel! You look like shit!
I don't look like bzz, beep.
But you said shit in your other video, your vlog.
Not.
Oh, a leaf pile. I got acorns. I got
Where are the acorns? I don't see any.
I got nuts. You see. What the heck is your character doing?
I don't know. It was spinning. Oh, there's an acorn. No, that's a chest. Get that chest. Hey, go back. What are you doing?
You know what? Fine, I won't help you.
I want the chest.
This is why you only got 10 pumpkins.
Oh.
Darn pumpkins.
Hey, I got a nut.
You are a nut.
No cracking.
God, that scared the shit.
That scared the shit out of you, right? Where's my nuts?
Aren't nuts supposed to be attached to you?
I lost my nuts. I found a nut. Yeet. Nut. Come here, nut.
I got one of my nuts back. Are you clicking on the nuts?
Well, yeah.
You're supposed to run into the nuts.
Oh.
You just heckin' run into them.
Oh, I thought.
If you see, get hit. Wait, smack the trees.
Hit it.
Tree smacking. Tree smacking.
It won't let me.
No, you didn't go tree smacking. Go back to that tree. Go back tree smacking. Stop touching your screen. Tree smack. Tree smack. Tree smack.
Take that. A nut. Give me my nuts.
Yes.
See, if you smack the nuts, then it's no cracking.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, you can also hit leaf piles. You see that?
Yeah.
That leaf pile, if you hit it a couple times, it'll bust open too.
Do I get nuts?
Yeah. Nuts!
I want nuts. Oh, I got 2 nuts.
I go nutty for nuts. I'm
Go cool for nuts. I was just thinking the same
That's
thing.
what I said. That's what I said. That's what I said, though. I said it. You just copied me.
I did not.
You know what? Mom,
What do we do with the nuts?
you deliver them to trees.
To trees? Any tree?
The big fat trees.
I don't understand.
You see, these ones, right? Hang on, I just went past one. That one. See how there's like nuts by them?
Oh.
And they're big and fat. And they have holes in them. So you can deliver your nuts and you store your nuts for the winter.
That makes sense.
No.
Because I store lots of nuts for the winter.
No, it doesn't make sense.
Got to store some nuts. Ah! What
You
is
don't
that
make
thing?
sense.
I can't find any trees with holes in them.
You probably passed like 6. No one knew.
I probably did. I can't argue there.
I choked on air.
This girl's so small.
Yeah, the babies. Don't. Oh, I found a chest.
You could tap on the nuts and go, no cracking.
You do you, Mom. You do you.
That's me.
Okay.
Oh, I found a tree with a hole in it.
A tree with a hole in it. Best description ever.
Yay! I stored some nuts for the winter. I'm not going hungry. I'm not going hungry. Okay, I'm supposed to be collecting nuts, not dancing around.
What? I never want to go nutcracking with you again.
Why not? I lost my tree with the hole
You
in
even
it.
cry, Manly. Is your kid? See, you still look like puke.
I do not. Hey, cute little squirrel.
Okay.
Cracking some nuts.
Cute little squirrels are not supposed to sound like this.
Why not?
Because they're supposed to be cute and cuddly.
You're better off hitting a leaf pile to get to it one shot.
Yeah, if you do the pad thingy, Bob, you get like 6.
Oh no!
Oh no! There's 30 seconds remaining, Mom!
Oh no! I lost my tree with the hole in it.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I see trees. I don't see none with holes.
I delivered a baby.
Well, I'm collecting more nuts.
My baby doesn't have nuts. Is that normal?
That is not normal.
I don't have nuts. Is that normal?
That's normal.
You can't find a tree. Rip your 8 nuts.
I got stuck with all them nuts.
Oh my god. You got 19 nuts.
That's a lot of nuts.
I mean, it's better than usual what you do.
Gee, thanks. How many do you get?
46. Almost 50.
Because you were stealing my nuts.
I wasn't even near you.
You were stealing all the nuts.
But I wasn't near you.
But you got all the nuts. I'm going to starve in the winter. I'm coming to your tree to visit.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Coming to your tree. Excuse you, child.
I thought that was trying.
That hey, child. Hello, everyone. Hope you liked the video. I had so much fun nut cracking.
Nut cracking.
Nut cracking. Thank you for that.
Recorded.
You know we're
yeah,
recorded.
We're recorded. I think he gave up in life.
He walked away.
What? What are you
Do that
doing?
again.
Nut cracking.
Okay, peeps.
That's disgusting.
So funny.
It is. Oh, he's leaving.
Gonna yeet out of here. We're gonna yeet out of here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
What?
Huh?
What are we doing?
Huh?
I wasn't paying attention.
We're yeeting out of here.
Oh!
Yay!
Yeet.
I did it! I did it! Bye, guys!
No
wait.
croaking.
Wait. We have to do it like how he did it.
Bye, guys!